All right, guys, so we're here at day 4 for the Wingman Garage Community Car Build. Aaron, what do we got going on?
All right. We're going to get crazy today. We're going to finish up the exterior. So this is event 4, like Dan said. I actually added another event 2 weeks from now. That's going to be the audio event. I want to focus on finishing up the exterior on the truck today. We're going to get the headlights fully installed. I've got a really cool front bumper over there on the table that we're going to assemble and put on the truck. We're also going to put this fender back on the truck. My man Larry killed it with this fender. He painted this fender for us all by himself in his garage at home. If you look back at the first few videos, you'll see this fender was patinaed rust. It was just all rust. There was no paint on it, so it was just rust. And he did awesome. Larry's the man. Anyway, that's the goal for today. Finish up the exterior so you guys can get a look at what it's going to look like, the finished product. And then the audio event, we're going to do a bunch of cool audio stuff. That's in a few weeks. And I got a lot of little minor touches that I'm going to surprise you guys with. So yeah, that's it. Event 4 coming at you. You said John, right? John, Larry, John. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
All right, so I think that's going to wrap it up for tonight. Aaron, can you walk us through kind of what happened?
Yeah, so we finished up the exterior on it. Honestly, aside from the wheels, we got this awesome front bumper on. I will be touching up some of the spots that got messed up in shipping. The headlights are fully bolted in. We pulled everything off, so those are looking great. The new fender, thank you, Larry, for that new fender. He painted everything. That's awesome. And we got the flares on, so the truck is looking great. Honestly, kind of completes the whole look, the whole vision that we had for this build. And yeah, I mean, I can't wait to put some finishing touches on, do the audio, and get ready to get this thing away.
I can tell you this thing is looking just awesome. Yeah, the team that you have had here every single night that we've done this has been just phenomenal.
Yeah, it's been good. It's been really good.
It's hard, honestly, it's hard to find a wrench to jump in and help because everybody is just jumping in. And this thing is turning into a really, really wicked little Ford Ranger. What's next?
Yeah, so next 2 weeks, November 6th, I believe, is the audio day. So we're gonna put a sub, amp, head unit, do some driver mods, right? So you can have some fun while you're plowing through the Northeast Ohio snow. And then a few small touches. I'm gonna get, some colored lug nuts. We're gonna do some minor exterior upgrades just to kind of finish up the whole look. Little things here and there,
And then final question: if they want to try and win this,
oh yeah, the scavenger hunt.
How do they get?
The scavenger hunt is Sunday, November 17th. It will start at 9 a.m. Everybody, it's $25 to join the hunt. So $25 might put this truck in your driveway. If you want a little insight into how the scavenger hunt works, check out the Wingman Garage YouTube channel. I do a full walkthrough of last year's hunt. It's a point-to-point clue race. If everybody gets the first clue at 9 a.m. in the morning, and then it's off to the races. You decipher that one, takes you to another one, takes you to another clue, and whoever finds the keys first keeps the truck.
That's awesome. Hey, and that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning.